Machine, pencil, cartography. This channel's goals are to cultivate an audience that has an existing interest in cartography. Today I was learning about the map scale. This is when you print a map on a sheet of paper and you want to discuss the proportions between the size of paper and the size of the geographical terrain that was represented on the paper. After researching this topic, I discovered that paper sizes are regulated by International Standards Organization ISO 216. We have a standardized A4 sheet of paper that measures 210 millimeters wide and 297 millimeters long. What I recommend doing is using a square that is 200 millimeters wide and 200 millimeters tall, because this is a nice even number, and we can justify leaving 5 millimeters off each end as a margin. When we try using our standard area size, which is 1 hectare, reflecting a square with a side length of 100 meters, we will find that our preference for using a plot size of 1 hectare and our preference for using a chart size that is 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters will yield a map scale of 1 to 500, where our terrain is 500 times bigger than our map. If we try a different terrain size, such as 4 hectares, reflecting a square with a side length of 200 meters, we will find that this choice will result in a map scale of 1 to 1000, where our terrain is 1000 times bigger than our chart. For future reference, when we are creating size comparisons between two objects, this is called an anamorphism. This is a scientific size comparison between objects with standardized sizes. If we used a chart size that was 20 centimeters on each side and a plot size that was 1 square kilometer, having a side length of 1 kilometer on each side, this would yield a map scale of 1 to 5000. Thank you for listening. This has been Machine Pencil Cartography, signing out.